In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost on Hootsuite. Navigating through the digital marketing world, you'll find that consistency and re-engagement with your content are key. However, doing so efficiently can sometimes be a challenge, especially when managing multiple posts across various social media platforms. Hootsuite, a widely recognized social media management tool, offers a seamless solution to repost content, ensuring your audience remains engaged with minimal effort on your part. Let's start by visiting the Hootsuite website. Once there, you'll notice the user interface is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through the process with ease. The first thing you need to do is click on the login button prominently displayed on the home page. This leads you to a login page that asks for your credentials. Enter your email address in the designated field. It's crucial that you use the email associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, move on to the password field. Here, enter your password, taking care to ensure it's entered correctly, and click on Sign In. Remember, both fields are case sensitive, so be precise when typing. Once logged in, you're directed to the Hootsuite dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is the command center for all your social media management needs. From here, notice the three-dot icon on the upper right corner. This icon is your gateway to further functionality and settings. Click on this to unveil additional options. Among the various options, you'll find Stream. Clicking on Stream takes you to a section that mirrors the flow of your social media content. It's a visual representation of your posts, arranged in a way that lets you easily manage and interact with them. In the Stream section, you'll need to locate My Boards. This brings up all the boards you've created or are a part of on Hootsuite. Boards are essentially collections of streams organized by social network, engagement, or any other criteria you've set. This organization is helpful in keeping your social media strategy neat and effective. Now for the main event, selecting the post you want to repost. Navigate through your boards and click on the post that you're looking to share again. The simplicity of Hootsuite's design shines here, as clicking on the post brings up its details, allowing you to review the content you're about to repost. Next to the like button of the post, there's an arrow down icon. Click on this to access more actions you can take on the post. Among these options, you'll find Edit. Clicking on Edit enables you to make any necessary changes to your post before sharing it again. This is particularly useful for updating any information, adding new hashtags, or simply tweaking the post to better suit your current audience's tastes or a different platform's best practices. After making your edits, the final step is to click on Post Now. This immediately shares the post with your audience, completing the reposting process. It's a straightforward approach to maximizing your content's reach and engagement without the need for creating brand new content from scratch. A couple of tips to keep in mind during this process. First, consider the timing of your repost. Analyze the best times to post based on your audience's active hours. Hootsuite provides analytics that can help you make data-driven decisions regarding timing. Second, tailoring the message for different platforms can significantly impact engagement. Even when reposting, a slight tweak to match the tone or style of a platform can make your content more appealing. Reposting content on Hootsuite is not just about saving time. It's about strategically reinvigorating your social media presence, keeping your audience engaged, and reinforcing your messages. With Hootsuite's streamlined process, you're equipped to maintain an active, engaging social media presence with ease. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or a small business owner juggling multiple roles, Hootsuite's reposting feature is designed to simplify your workflow and maximize the impact of your content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to repost on Hootsuite. By following these steps, you can ensure your social media strategy is efficient, effective, and continuously engaging your audience. Remember, the key to social media success is consistency, engagement, and adaptability. Hootsuite's reposting feature enables you to achieve all three with ease.